Alright, we are back with another video. We are going to paint a blank that I got from Livingston Lures a long time ago. This bait makes a shad noise when the split rings are wet in the water. And it also, the eyes glow in the dark. So you'll probably see when I'm painting this lure, you might hear the shad noise, and you might see the eyes light up. They light up blue. We're going to go ahead and paint this lure in my version of a citrus shad. So I'm going to go ahead and base coat it. I won't bore you with it. So we'll go ahead and get it base coated in the golden titanium white. We'll go ahead and get that done, and we'll be right back. Alright, we're back. So we are going to put our next color on, and that is going to be the golden fluorescent chartreuse. And I fought myself long and hard on how much I want to put this on here, but we're going to add some scaling over it. So I'm going to do it all the belly, sides, and up to the corner of the back. I'm going to leave the back a white strip as much as possible. Reason why I chose to go all the way up with the chartreuse shad, or the fluorescent chartreuse, because I'm going to add scaling over it, in which I'm still fighting myself right now of which scaling to use. I've got a whole bunch of different scaling that I got from Whitmore Farm, and they're just different sizes, shapes. So I'm not 100% sure yet, but I am going to be close enough to 100% once we get closer to that point. So we'll go ahead and we'll get this golden fluorescent chartreuse on there. We'll start with the belly. Okay. Okay. Looks good. I'm gonna get a little bit. And we'll go ahead and get that heat set, and we'll be right back. Alright, so we're going to move on to our next color, and it's going to be the Createx Pearlized White. And we're going to go ahead and use this stencil that I got from Whitmore Farms. So I went with this, I want to say larger, because some of them are about as large. One of the other ones is about as large, but the piece of the stencil that's in between each scale, it's thicker or wider, so it'll show more of that chartreuse in the scaling. That's what I wanted to go with, so I just kind of went with whatever size bait it was and whatever scaling. So we'll go ahead and get this on here. This is going to be a very difficult process because this stencil is It's not very pliable. So, a little more difficult. Okay. Go ahead and get that heat set and be right back. I apologize, guys. I forgot to hit record. But we started doing the other side. So that's how the other side came out. This side. We're going to go ahead and get that heat set and be right back. Alright, so we're on to our next colors. So I took two colors and I mixed them together. The first color I used is this wicked fluorescent green. And the second color is the Auto Air Colors Pearlized Lime. Can't see it there because it's covering it, but it's pearlized lime. Okay. We'll go ahead and get these on there. I'm going to do the just down a little bit over the corner of the back and the bottom corner and the top corner of the back on each side. Okay. We're going to do a few coats. I don't want to do too much, but I do want it to show. Now I did have to reduce this, so I got to put light coats on and then heat set it real quick. So I'm going to put a whole bunch of coats on both sides and show you what it looks like as soon as we get back. Alright, so for our next colors, we're going to use this Createx transparent Caribbean blue. And we also mixed in this Auto Air Colors pearlized teal. Alright, so I did reduce it with the Createx 4011 reducer, so we'll go ahead and we're going to get the stripe on the back right now. I will have to do this in steps too. So I'm going to go ahead and get that heat set, put a couple coats on, and be right back. Alright, so we've got a couple coats on there. We're going to put a couple more on, but just kind of wanted to show you what it's looking like so far. Okay. Just want to deepen up that blue a little bit. Okay, that looks good. We're going to go ahead and get that heat set and be right back. Alright, we went ahead and got the eyes with that same color. Okay. And then we're just going to put a black dot over it for a pupil. But we'll get the gun cleaned out and be right back. Alright, so for our next color, we're going to use this golden fluorescent orange. We're going to put that on the belly of the bait. So we'll go ahead and get that on there. We're going to try to do it very lightly. I don't want a lot of orange. I did look at a lot of citrus shads, and some of them had orange, some had heavy orange, some had real light orange, and a bunch of them had no orange on the bottom. I happen to like the orange, so that's what we're going to do. Alright, so go ahead and get that on there. Well, I guess I want a little more than I wanted, but that's alright. That's good enough for me right there. That'll work just fine. Alright. We'll get that heat set and be right back. Alright, we're back with our next color. This is a cool one I like. It is the Auto Air Colors Hot Rod Sparkle. Yeah, this color, man, it really shimmers it really good, so pretty cool. I did thin it a whole bunch. This stuff does not like to come out through a .035 brush, but we're going to do the back, a little bit on the back corners and the belly. Okay, that is good on the back. I'll go ahead and get the belly. I guess so. It's kind of hard to see right now, but when I go ahead and clear coat it, you'll see it. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get that heat set. We're going to get the gun cleaned out. And we'll be right back. Alright, we're back. So, we're going to go ahead and add the shad dot to it. So we're going to go ahead and use the golden carbon black, and we're going to use this stencil that I got from Iwata, and we're going to go ahead and put that on this bag. Bam. Okay. Go ahead and flip it around and we'll get the other side. Perfect. Alright, we'll go ahead and get that heat set. Actually, you know what? I think now we can just put the dot on the eyes. So, what I'm going to use for that is I'm just going to use a simple pen and the top to it. And I'm just going to dip it in and put it on there. So, we'll go ahead and do that real quick. Alright, once I put that on there, I've got to hurry. I don't want it to drip or anything, so you don't want too much on there. But I'll go ahead and get that heat set and be right back. Alright, so we're back. Got these eyes on there. Pretty good. Alright, so now all we got to do is clear coat it and we'll be done. So go ahead and get that done and we'll be right back. Alright, we're all back. Clear coated, and just wanted to show you guys the light that glows up in it. There it goes. That would work on a deep diving bait. Anyways, just want to thank you guys for coming along. If you like what you see, please leave a comment below. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.